Hey, Staffingpreneur, I am so excited to just give you a little sneak peek of the upcoming live workshop bootcamp we have coming up in just a few months. Listen, if you are looking to set up your very own niche recruitment and staffing business within the clinical healthcare space, this is one live workshop bootcamp that you do not want to miss. 3.5 days of full learning in Los Angeles, California, in our office, July 28th through the 31st. Let's get into what will be delivered. All right, so day one, you're going to learn how to start your niche recruitment and staffing business. And when you are ready to set up your niche recruitment and staffing business, especially in the clinical healthcare space, you want to be able to set your business up the right way and with compliance. This day one event, we are going to go through all of the nooks and crannies of setting up your niche recruitment and staffing business, making sure you're compliant in every way, and really just laying down the full foundation of your clinical healthcare staffing business. Then we are going to dive into day two, where we talk about launching your niche recruitment and staffing business. Now, setting it up, launching, and running are totally different things, right? You're setting it up, you're laying the foundation, you got pieces everywhere, left, right, up, down, around the corner, and you're just kind of filling in the blocks. When you start to launch, you're taking all of those pieces and you're putting them together to make one cohesive process or engine or system, right? And that's what we do in the launch section. We just make sure that you have everything ready to be executed. Everything that you put together in the setup class, we're going to make sure that you're actually executing those things in your launch class. Very excited to work with you in this launch section. And then we'll wake up and go into day three, and we'll start diving into running the business. And this is where we'll start doing more role play and exercises, where we go away from working on the business to working in the business. And working in the business is how we generate revenue. Working in the business is how we grow and how we scale. So learning how to actually run the business is imperative. So these 3 days you're going to learn how to set the business up, how to launch it, and how to run it. And then you'll come and join me for a half a day. And we're going to just do some motivational manifestations, okay? We're going to get in there and we're going to get fired up, and we are going to not just get fired up, but we are going to get some good high energy vibes going on about the business. And we are going to go for a nice hike in the morning, watch the sunrise, and then we'll come back, shower, and then come back and meet for brunch. So that's how we're going to kick off the end of the event. I just want to reiterate, our live boot camp for the clinical healthcare sector is Thursday, July 28th through Sunday, July 31st from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. on that Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. And then on that Sunday, it's from 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. We're going to be meeting in LA. Parking is across the street, and you will have to pay for parking on your own. So I would encourage you to take an Uber or a Lyft from your hotel. And don't worry about lunch, or we got you covered. Just make sure you have your dinner money. And you'll be ready. You'll pretty much be ready to go. You'll be ready for this event. I want you to bring positive energy. I want you to bring, pen, paper, bring your laptop, bring your recording, and bring your amazing energy and personality, because you're going to meet other staffingpreneurs who are on the same journey with you. We will have special guests attending as well. Be prepared for everything. Come dressed to impress. Bring your relaxed clothes as well. I mean, we're just going to go all out. So I'm really, really excited to see you at the live event. I look forward to seeing you there. More information in the link below. And this is just video number 1. This is just to give you a sneak peek and to let you know that I've put everything up on recruitmentstore.com so you can go in and purchase your course now. One more thing I want to just tell you really quickly. You can buy all 3 days. You can attend all 3 days, or you can attend individual days that are most important to you. So just keep that in mind as well. All right, so I'll see you in the next video, and this is your Coach D, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.